Hi, my name is Nidia and I'm part of Eclincher's team. And today I'm going to show you how you can get the most out of the platform and everything you need to know to get started. So let's begin. If you haven't already, you have to connect some networks to use Eclincher's features. And you can do that from the page called Manage Accounts in the sidebar. In the sidebar, you will find everything you need, from connecting some networks to see your new comments and messages all in one place. Now, let's see one by one. We will start with publishing. Here I can create a new post across multiple social media channels and multiple formats. So if I want to share the same post on other social media channel, I just select the profiles and networks. And I can customize each network just by clicking here, Customize button. Here I can edit the text, add new media from my computer, or I can use AI Assist to get a new original post. AI Assist can help me use my current post and give me better ideas for new posts or improve it with keywords, with new content and images, or start creating completely new posts and publish them later. If you want to create your own image or video, you can use Canva or Adobe Express, or even look for a new image in our image library linked with Pixabay, Pixels, Unsplash, or use our AI generation. When it's ready, you can post it now or schedule it for later according to your highest engagement time. Now let's go to Visual Calendar, where you can see all your content already scheduled. You can see if it's missing a post and in which days, so just drag the post to the day you want. Now you can see this calendar weekly or monthly or with image layout, just see which one you like the most. Now that the content is ready, we can check our inbox. Here you can see all your private messages, like all your comments, DMs, mentions, everything. And you can reply the messages yourself, or you can automate your answers. Let AI analyze the sentiment and create the best answer. You can set up your replies and let AI send the answer, or you can set it up to ask for approval to send the message or auto reply in real time. To keep track of my business, I use analytics. Here you can see all your account performance and check out how you're doing. You can create your own reports and send it to your team or your clients to explain better what is happening. If you want to add links to your bio, you can do it in the section Link in Bio, and it will automatically add it to your Instagram profile. And if you have more questions, you can go to Quick Help section or communicate with our team.